After monetization, some of the YouTube videos are not showing dollar symbol. As you see in the picture, we see here dollar symbol missing. And when you click on any of the videos, you will see monetization not available. When it comes to restrictions and it says not available, most of the people are facing this problem, and that's why I'm making this video. You need not be tensed. It may be sometimes a YouTube glitch or YouTube bug. You just got to follow some simple steps to fix it. Now go to YT Studio on YouTube. You will see all the videos that you have uploaded over there. You see some of the videos have no dollar symbol. You just have to refresh it as shown in the picture. After refreshing, you'll see all your videos with dollar symbol again. If you're unable to see it, you can update YT Studio. While updating YT Studio, you may encounter a problem as unable to install. You can click on most common ways to fix the problem. Sometimes it may be storage space problem on your phone and Wi-Fi connectivity issues. So do check and update your YT Studio. Still you're unable to update, then you can click on send feedback. You see a box pop up as shown in the picture. You can click on make a suggestion or report an issue. After clicking, you got to write few lines about your problem, that you're unable to update YT Studio. That's it. You got to click on send. If you want, you can attach a screenshot. After few hours, you try to update YT Studio. Most probably your YT Studio gets updated and you can see dollar symbol appearing on your YouTube videos again. If no, go to your YT Studio again and click on dollar symbol as shown in the picture and check whether you are in YouTube partner program or not, and see whether you have got any mails from YouTube regarding demonetization. After making sure that you're in YouTube partner program, still you're unable to see dollar symbol on your YouTube videos, just write feedback to YouTube as shown in the picture. Then your problem gets solved, or else you need not do anything that I've said in this video. You just got to wait for 2 or 3 days to see automatically your issue getting resolved. Because it is YouTube glitch, it gets resolved, so no worries. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies 1. Hope this video helps you out in fixing your issues. Stay tuned. Keep smiling.